Are you tired of seeing crazy camera prices that make your wallet want to hide under the bed? What if I told you some of the best cameras out there don't cost a fortune, but still snap gorgeous photos and sharp video? Stick around, because on DSLR Camera Search, I'm breaking down my top picks for the best cheap cameras that actually deliver real results. No fluff, no overpriced hype, just amazing value for your money. Whether you're shopping for your first real camera, looking for an upgrade, or need something rugged for your next adventure, you're about to find a camera you and your bank account will love, ready to unlock a world of creative potential. Without maxing out your credit card, let's get straight into the countdown. At number 9, Pentax WG1000 Rugged Waterproof Digital Compact Camera Asterisk. Starting off with a camera that's basically the Chuck Norris of the tech world, the Pentax WG1000. If you're looking for a cheap, rugged camera that laughs in the face of danger, this is it. Waterproof, freeze-proof, dust-proof, and shock-proof, the WG1000 is perfect for outdoor adventurers, construction pros, or anyone who's really good at dropping things. With its compact design and 16MP sensor, it's all about easy, point-and-shoot fun. There are a few trade-offs. You won't get raw images or 4K video, and there's no built-in Wi-Fi or GPS. It's meant for users who want reliability and toughness over fancy features. If you want a camera for the wild, one you can actually trust at the beach, on the slopes, or even on a muddy job site, the WG1000 is basically unbreakable. At number 8, Canon EOS Rebel T7. Next up, let's talk DSLRs. The Canon Rebel T7, or 2000D if you're outside the US. If you dream of those pro-looking shots with a proper optical viewfinder, the T7 is the most affordable DSLR still on shelves. It packs a solid 24MP sensor, easy controls, and access to a massive range of Canon EF lenses. It's not the fastest kid on the block. No 4K video, fixed screen, and slow focus in live view. But for beginners wanting to learn the basics of photography, it's a fantastic launchpad. The T7 is perfect for students, hobbyists, or anyone wanting to get their hands on a true DSLR without dropping big bucks. Sure, it's old school, but sometimes classic is just what you need. At number 7, GoPro Hero 10 Black. Looking for adventure? GoPro Hero 10 Black has you covered. This cheap action camera delivers 5.3K video, killer slow-mo, and tough-as-nails durability. It's waterproof, shockproof, and fits in your pocket, ready for everything from skydiving to swimming with sea turtles. The downside? Low-light performance isn't stellar and battery life is just okay. But for beginners and casual thrill seekers, the Hero 10 Black offers easy operation, a responsive touch display, and lightning-fast media transfers. If you want an action camera that gets the job done, this GoPro has your back. At number 6, Sony ZV1F. The YouTuber's best friend. Content creators, meet your new sidekick, the Sony ZV1F. It's a tiny powerhouse designed for YouTube, TikTok, and vlogging on the go. Flip the screen around, hit record, and let the superb autofocus keep your face pin sharp. The built-in mic is surprisingly good, and the easy controls mean you can start shooting videos within minutes. Even if you've never held a camera before, the stabilization is a bit meh outdoors. And you can't swap lenses, but if you're shooting mostly indoors or for social media, you'll love how simple and fun the ZV1F is. Pass it between friends at a party or start your own video diary. It's built for sharing your world, not hiding it. At number 5, Canon EOSRP. Ready to jump up to pro-level image quality? The Canon EOSRP is the best cheap full-frame camera out there. Full-frame sensors usually mean full-fat prices, but the RP gives you beautiful, shallow depth of field, fantastic low-light performance, and Canon's classic color science. All for a fraction of what you'd expect. It's lightweight, has a fully articulating screen, and even works with your older EF lenses with an adapter. Downsides? It's not ideal for huge telephoto lenses, and the 4K video mode is cropped. But for landscape shooters, portrait lovers, or anyone chasing that pro look, the EOSRP is a steal. At number 4, Panasonic Lumix ZS99. Sometimes you just want a camera you can stick in your pocket and take anywhere. The Panasonic ZS99, or TZ99, is the answer. With a jaw-dropping 30x optical zoom, you can snap everything from wide landscapes to distant wildlife without ever changing a lens. The touchscreen flips up for selfies, and you can shoot RAW if you want more editing power. Sure, the sensor is small and there's no viewfinder, but for vacationers, families, and anyone who wants an all-in-one compact for travel, this Lumix is the go-anywhere, shoot-anything champ. At number 3, Olympus OMD M10 Mark IV Vintage vibes meet modern muscle with the Olympus OMD M10 Mark IV. This mirrorless camera serves up a classic retro look, great handling, and a 20MP micro four thirds sensor. You get in-body stabilization, a tilting touchscreen for selfies or vlogging, and a massive range of affordable lenses. The plastic build means it's not as rugged as it looks, and serious videographers might miss the mic port. But for students, street photographers, or anyone who wants a stylish camera that looks as good as the photos it takes, the OMD M10 Mark IV is hard to beat. At number 2, Sony A6100. The Sony A6100 is an oldie but a goodie, and one of the best cheap cameras for travel and everyday adventures. It's small, light, and has a battery that just keeps going. With fast, real-time autofocus and 4K video, it's a great step up from your smartphone. The screen flips 180 degrees for easy selfies or vlogs, and there's an enormous ecosystem of E-mount lenses to play with. There's no in-body stabilization, and the body's not weatherproof, but for backpackers, globetrotters, and anyone who wants pro results in a portable package, the A6100 brings a ton of value. At number 1, Canon EOS R100. Topping the list is the Canon EOS R100, my pick for the best cheap camera overall. It's beginner-friendly, super compact, and packs a punch with its 24MP sensor and fast, reliable autofocus. The guided menus are a dream for anyone stepping up from a phone, and you get the flexibility of Canon's RF lens system as your skills grow. The screen isn't touch-sensitive, and 4K video is a bit cropped, but if you want a camera that just works, whether for family photos, travel snaps, or learning the ropes, the EOS R100 is the best place to start. There you go, 9 awesome cheap cameras for every need, style, and budget. Whether you want rugged adventure, full-frame magic, travel-ready compactness, or a no-nonsense beginner's camera, there's something here for you that don't get caught up in the megapixel race or the latest buzzwords. The best camera is the one you'll actually use, so pick the one that matches your lifestyle and get out shooting. Which camera from this list are you most excited to try? Got questions about a specific model? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button if you found this guide helpful. Subscribe to DSLR Camera Search for more hands-on camera reviews and tips, and ring the bell so you never miss an upgrade. Time to level up your photography without breaking the bank.